What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cadillac coming at you. New pickup of a different kind, as you can see. My first Hot Wheels car, Matchbox, whatever you want to call it. Picked these up today, good price. I actually picked up the total of 5 of them. As you can see, it says 2021 Cadillac CT5V. It's red. I have a 2024 CT5V Blackwing. That's red, velocity red. On the bottom, yeah, there you go. On the bottom, it says Cadillac CT5V Blackwing. So that's a plus. Makes it easier for me, better for me. My plan is these two that I have in my hand, I'm going to customize those to look like my Blackwing and display one in my car, and then set up a little scene inside an acrylic case that looks like me at a car meet or something like that. Then the other 3 in the background, just display those in my man cave. So it's a nice car, little car. I like it. Good details and everything. So I'll be back with the finished product. 2021 CT5V Blackwing Hot Wheel. Customized this to match my 24 CT5V Blackwing. Pretty simple. As you can see, I made 2 of them. One is going to be in my car. The other one's going to be displayed in the man cave. Pretty much matched it to the T. 20% tint all the way around, blackout wheels, blackout badges, blackout fog lights, blackout tail lights, custom license plate. I wrapped the roof and I even added a wing to it. So it's pretty spot on. I like the way it came out. Show you the other parts. The front grille, same match. Blackout badge, tinted fog lights. The top, hard to see because of lighting on the iPad, but the roof is wrapped in black. Black roof as well. First time doing this, I kept it simple, basic, nothing serious. Enough for me to get it done. The hardest part was putting those decals on. Tinted tail lights, custom license plate, red reverse light, trunk badge, custom red and black trunk badge. Got the black wing as well. So everything pretty much matches and turned out really good, real good. I'm gonna go ahead and go through again, show everything. It's the front. Side view. I even did the side mirrors where they're half black, just like on the car. That was pretty hard too, because that's a real small spot. But like I said, everything turned out pretty good. No complaints. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think.